Hello guys and welcome. For everyone who followed my work from before, you know that Empire Monster is my brand new project where I start to explain to people who are new in online business things what is affiliate marketing, how to make it in the way that you don't lose a lot of time, money and don't go in wrong way, and how you can work from home to get some additional salary that you live easier. So for everyone who still didn't do it, I advise you to subscribe on my channel because this is something what you will need to follow everything what we are doing here. And also you should go to my website, and once when you reach my website you will get here one notification that you receive push notification, one alert. And you should accept this alert because everything what I will make on video I will also follow up with article here. And when you need some in-depth explanation where you will have textual article explaining step by step what you need to do, the fastest and the easiest way is simply to go on my website and read everything what we will discuss here. And also one very important thing is that I'm giving everyone free Pinterest and free affiliate marketing course, and anyone can come and join to these free courses. And what you have to do, this is something what I don't understand how it's not clear. If you want Pinterest course, you will simply go get the full course now, and only thing what you have to do here that you reach it is to fill this opt-in form. So you will put your name, you will put your email address, and you will press subscribe to unlock. Same thing is for affiliate marketing free course. You will go on that site, on this page, and you will simply fill this form to enter your name, email address, and subscribe to unlock. You should be careful because you will receive confirmation email which you really have to confirm to unlock all content of this on this website. And once when you unlock it, you will be able to access all free courses here about Pinterest and affiliate marketing. And trust me, there is tons of articles, free articles what you can read here and learn many things about affiliate marketing and how to get floods of traffic from Pinterest to your new blog or whatever you are doing online for free. So as I said before, today we will discuss how you can start blogging and earn in 5 days. But I want to make this part about earn in 5 days very clear. So this is not some kind how it's retarded written. This is not some kind of make you rich overnight program. This is simply something where I'm going to show you that first results you really can see after 5 days. And that you can really see results, you will need power of something which will launch you, that people start to see you. So what we are going to discuss here, we will discuss several things what you have to do that you actually can start with blogging. In my free course about affiliate marketing, you have everything explained step by step, in depth, how to set up your affiliate blog, how to pick your niche, how to pick hosting domain, everything. And I won't lose time to go in depth explaining things like that, but I will only show you some basics. So first, what we will need here, you will need domain name and you will need hosting for your project first. This is something what we really need, and I will need to learn how to write lines with pen. And I put you here several options what I can recommend for you. First is Bluehost, and I think everyone know what is Bluehost. You can simply go and check what kind of hosting options they have. So they have for $3.95 per month hosting, and I think it's very affordable. You can find something for yourself there. Second one, it's SiteGround. It's similar, but they have some other kind of hosting packages here, like WordPress hosting, what we will use for our projects. And I think that all packages are paid on these hosting providers in advance for next 3 years. and once when you pay it, you are free and don't need to think about that for several years. And last option is Wealthy Affiliate. And Wealthy Affiliate is something what will really help you with growing your blog very quickly and will be focused in this video. And if you decide to pick premium subscription on Wealthy Affiliate, usually it's free, but if you decide to pick premium, you will get free hosting for 50 domains. So one way or another you need to pay hosting. So if you pick hosting separated from Wealthy Affiliate, in the end I think it will cost you the same like you pay Wealthy Affiliate and get hosting for 50 domains. But point is, in the beginning for sure, I'm very sure you won't need Wealthy Affiliate Premium for hosting, because for sure you won't have 50 websites in the beginning. But later on, how you will grow, for sure, if you decide to go in niche specified blogs more and more for travel, for whatever, you will have this possibility to upgrade your account on Wealthy Affiliate to premium, and you will also get hosting for free. But one way or another, you need it or not, I strongly recommend you to pick Wealthy Affiliate and register on Wealthy Affiliate, because it's free, and in the beginning you have possibility to use on trial all features what they have, and that will cover these 5 days what we will going to discuss here, which will help you to launch your blog to be seen. So like I explained in my article and below this video, you will have several links what you can pick, that you go to choose for hosting or Wealthy Affiliate for hosting your blog. One way or another, if you pick some hosting provider, you will get domain name for free, but you won't use it domain name immediately. You will use it after you decide what your blog will be about. And this is exactly something what we are going to discuss in our second steps here. So first, you are going to choose your niche when you start to make your blog. And what does it mean? Choosing niche means that you will decide, will you cover electronics? Will you cover traveling? Will you cover health? Will you cover losing weight? So niche is something very specific. What is your blog about? More narrowed subject will be more easier to rank. If you go too wide, it will be too competitive and it will be very complicated to rank it on Google. But if you narrow your niche to be as precisely as possible, it will be more easier to rank it, because Google will clearly understand what your blog is about and will help you to rank as fast as possible, as high as possible. Yes, it's correct. So that means you should be very clear what you are doing on your blog, that Google can super easy understand and help you to grow. This is good to know, right? So second thing what we are going to discuss here, after you decide what your blog will be about, is to choose and find keywords. And this is something, if you don't have keywords, your blog simply cannot grow. And let me try to explain. I offer you here one, let me find it, one great tool which you can use for finding some keywords. Everything for finding keywords actually is extremely expensive, but as someone who register on Wealthy Affiliate as premium, you can get this tool included in your subscription, or if you don't use premium, you can use it on trial for 30 keywords. Show you here. Oh. Sorry for my horrible writings. So you can simply click here to find Jaaxy account, and what it is. Let me show you. So this is keyword tool. You can go here and use 30 queries for free. So that means you can go here and you can find competitive keywords which you can use for choosing name of your blog, choosing topics, and choosing content for your blog. If this is not something what can satisfy you, like I say, you get 30 searches for free, and if you plan to make 20 articles for the beginning, 30 searches will be more than enough for you. So you can simply register, like I show you here. You have a link in my article and below this video, and you can register and make these 30 searches. Why? Because when you pick perfect keyword, you will start to make content related with that keyword, and you will pick the main keyword and try to put it in your domain name. So Swiss watches for men will be your main keyword, and then you will go in depth searching competitive keywords related for Swiss watches for men, or favorite female dresses. You should put it in your domain name, because when people think about it and write it in Google search, your domain name should be that keyword should be part of your domain name, because this will be the most easiest way that people find you. And once when you cover keywords, content, domain, and hosting, you are ready to start with your blog, right? And what I'm trying to give you, like another possibility here, is to monitor your keywords and your competition. There is one software, genius software here. It's called Ahrefs. It's very expensive, more expensive than my ugly line. It's very expensive, but it's very powerful. Package which can be enough for you, I think it costs $100 per month, and serious package it costs $150 per month. Let's check. Ahrefs. So we go here. It's great tool, really great tool, and I will make one video related to this. So okay, so light version is $100, and standard version, which can cover everything what you need, it's $180. You can register here and you can use it 8 days fully without paying, or maybe $8, something like that. You can register and try it, and you will get standard package. And in that period, you can really search everything what you need to find your competitors, to find the best keywords for your content, to find everything what you need to rank your blog fast and easy on Google. And like I say, in my upcoming videos, I will make one in-depth explanation how to use Ahrefs, because it's very powerful and very helpful tool, and it's worth to have it. But if you don't have money to pay it, you have here, I give you SEMRush like alternative to track keywords and rank keywords. Because you need to understand, you must have something to follow your keywords on Google. For example, there is one great tool. It's called SERPbot. SERProbot. For example, you can pick your domain here, you can put keywords here, and you can make search to check how your keyword is ranked on Google. But you need to do it every time manually, and you cannot see history line when it was on number 20, number 30, number 9, who is competition, what you need to make it to rank it better, or things like that. So this is just to check at this moment how you're standing on Google without knowing anything else. Just actual position at this moment and nothing more, and this is not good. So like I say, if you cannot have Ahrefs, you can have SEMRush. I give you here a link. If you want to try it also you can, and trust me, it's great tool to follow your keywords, and without keywords you cannot do anything. On 4th day you will need to set up your niche website, and you will do it very easy. You will, when you have hosting, when you have domain name after researching your competitors and your main keyword, and make your domain name with your main keyword included in it. When you have all keywords what you want to use for your content, and finally when you have content, you will put them on your website, followed with pictures, links, everything. And then you will use the most important part of Wealthy Affiliate, and that's backlinking. So when you register to Wealthy Affiliate and you have trial period as free member, you try to search for webinars related to backlinking, and see the way how quickly you can make backlinks to your brand new blog. Because you need to understand, there is no ranking on Google without backlinking. I agree, you can rank on Google without backlink only if you choose keywords with zero competition. So extremely rare and extremely hard to find keywords. But when you use backlinks, and what is backlink? Let me explain you. I have this article here, and I make you some explanation how to earn money with blogging and see results after 5 days. And you have blog, and on your blog you say, there is great way how you can earn money with blogging after 5 days. And you link your article telling your readers, for more info, click here and read. And with that link, you lead your viewer to my blog. So you giving me backlink, linking content related with my subject to my website. And this is backlink. And like I say, more backlinks you have with content related with something you are talking about, higher you will be ranked on Google, because Google will say, you see, he writes something, he has some good article, and so many people linking to him, recommending him related to that subject. So higher domain ranking give you backlink, higher ranking on Google you will have. And don't abuse backlinking, because you need to understand one thing. Google is search engine, but very smart search engine, and any kind of cheating they don't tolerate. And the worst thing what can happen is that you totally lose ranking on Google, and that means you will be invisible, and that's something what you don't want to happen. So trust me guys, like I say, you can simply click here to join Wealthy Affiliate and use power of free trial to learn how you can do something what I just explained you here, that it's possible. Because there are so many marketers there who have webinars, tutorials and blogs showing you how you can quickly launch blog to be visible on Google in just few days. And this is all about what I want to explain, how you can start to earn after 5 days, because that means on day 5 you will be visible on Google search. And when you start to be visible on Google search, that means you will start to have traffic. And everything else is your creativity. How and what you will put on your blog and how you will monetize your blog is something what I simply cannot explain to you, because you need to decide what you are going to be. But the way how you can start to be visible to others is just something what I reveal to you and show you the right way how you can do it. So guys, until my next video, I hope you enjoyed this one. Hit subscribe, hit to allow notifications, and see you very soon.